Hey, hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about the JavaScript with basics. Now, JavaScript with basics programming presentation. Now, I explain about the introduction about the JavaScript and give the information. Introduction to JavaScript. JavaScript is high level, lightweight, and scripted language primarily used for web development it was created by Brendan Eich in 1995 while working at Netscape Communications. Unlike compiled languages, JavaScript is interpreted and can run directly in any major web browsers, making it highly accessible for developers. Main points for JavaScript basic syntax. It is case-sensitive language. Statements end with a semicolon. Comments for single line use this. For multi-line like this. Variables declared using var, let, constant, const, data types in string, number, boolean, null, undefined, object, symbol, big int. Functions define reusable code blocks, operators, arithmetic, comparison, logical, assignment. Control flow, if else, switch, loops like for loop, while loop, do while loop, like that. JavaScript in web development. JavaScript plays a key role in modern websites. In HTML provides the structure, CSS provides the style, JavaScript adds behavior and interactivity. This trio forms the backbone of front-end development, allowing websites to respond dynamically to user input. And in web development, role and placement of JavaScript is makes web pages interactive and dynamic. Placement uses alongside HTML and CSS. How JavaScript works? How it works? JavaScript is mostly a client-side scripting language, meaning the code is executed directly in the user's browser rather than on a server. It can access and modify in the DOM, means document object model, to change HTML and CSS on the fly. Handle events triggered by user content actions like clicks or key pressures. Client-side scripting executes in the browser and can interact and modify HTML and CSS. DOM manipulation. DOM means document object manipulation, like document object model manipulation. Next, in JavaScript, key features are it is lightweight and fast execution, interpreted language, and it contains dynamic typing. Variables can hold any data type. Object-oriented capabilities. Lightweight and fast means executed quickly inside browsers. Interpreted means no compilation steps run immediately. Dynamic typing. Variables can store any type of value. Object-oriented uses prop types and objects for code reuse. Functional programming support. It supports functions can be stored in variables, passed as arguments, and returned from other functions. Next, prototype 1 inheritance. What is prototypal inheritance? JavaScript uses prototypal inheritance instead of classical inheritance model used by languages like Java or C++, etc. Every object in JavaScript has a prototype, a link to another object from which it can inherit properties and methods. This model is more flexible and allow for dynamic object explanation. Cross-platform compatibility. One of JavaScript's biggest strengths is that it is supported by all modern browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, etc. Without requiring additional installation, it works on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. Also, in event handling, JavaScript can respond to user actions such as mouse clicks, keyboard input, page loading, etc. DOM manipulation, document object manipulation. It means represent the structure of a web page. JavaScript can select elements, change its text, style, attributes, create, remove, or update elements dynamically. This enables real-time updates without reloading the page. This is the advantages in JavaScript. Next, client-side validation. JavaScript can check user input before sending it to the server. For example, checking if an email address is valid before submitting a form. This improves users' experience and reduces server load. Now, conclusion is importance of JavaScript for interactive web applications. JavaScript is essential for modern interactive web applications. Work hand in hand with HTML and CSS. Supports both simple interactivity and complex application basics and logic. References. Also credit source of information and examples. We are learning from websites like Double Three Schools, MDN Web Documents, Greek for Greeks. For more, okay, thank you.